Hey, thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. Glad to have you here at MojaveKY. And another video, this one a performance install of a performance throttle body. So if you are looking at getting a performance throttle body, it's a really simple install. My friend Montoya and myself do the install together and take a look.
So let's look at the placement of the bolts on the throttle body. You can see them. It's just a square that goes around all the sides. So that should help you with the placement. Those are the four you're removing. So just go ahead and remove the tube. That's just a simple removal. Get that clamp loose and just kind of pull it free. Once we have the clamp, the tube out of the way, then you could get access to those bolts that are holding the throttle body in. There's four of them. It did help to use an extender to get to them, especially that one I'm getting at right there. That one's kind of blocked. I'm not sure without an extender how you would get to it, so I'm just kind of loosening them up all a little bit and then go back at them to take them completely off. But they're not on there too tight, and don't over tighten them when you put them back on. Then you'll take the throttle body out, and this is the part where you need to take the actual harness off.
Hey, okay, so at this point in the install, there is a little gray clip. I don't know if you guys will know what I'm talking about, but there's a clip and then like a pin that kind of holds that clip, I think, from working its way out. We could not get that little gray pin out without breaking it. So we broke it. Just letting you know, we broke that part. When we clicked the other part back in, it holds fine. So I don't think there's going to be any long-term issue, but we did not successfully get that gray clip out, just so you know.
Okay, so there's the harness that is on the throttle body, that piece right there. That's the piece that you need to take off. That's the little gray piece you could see there that we actually broke off. And we worked on it for a while, so I don't know if we were being too gentle, too rough, but both Montoya and I pulled on that one a bit. We used some of the small screwdrivers, kind of trying to pry it up, and did not have a lot of luck really figuring out how that little gray one came out. Obviously it's holding the larger clip in place, and the larger clip clicks, like I said before, so I don't really think you have to worry when or if you break that like we did.
Is the existing one, and then this is the new one. Yeah, you can really see the differences down in here.
Yeah, like right in here is really thin, so I can tell they shaved like all this down here.
Yeah.
Compared to this side
versus that. Yeah, it is a big difference. Yeah, even this little
the
feel that lip?
Yeah,
right there?
Right there, because I felt it on this side, and there's nothing over there.
Yeah, and that lip is gone here, nice and smooth. Yeah, you only have the top, but this lip goes on the stock one, goes all the way around. So we'll just put this back. There's the screw locations. And then we've got the wiring harness, and that just clips back on there. And then put the hose back on, and we're done.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in.
Simple, easy peasy.
Cool, easy.
It might take one. It might take two.
Might take 2?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Or not.
Hey, so thank you so much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Hey, I wish I was able to post some more videos right now. As you know, I have a lot of stuff that needs to be installed on my car, and I'm looking forward to that. But I've been traveling for work. That's made it a bit tough. And this weekend, we had my son's graduation from high school, so we had some family come in, and obviously that takes precedent. And then this coming weekend and the next one, I have some archery tournaments that are pretty big. So at least they're local, but it makes it harder making videos. So I'll keep trying to drop one video a week, as I've been trying to do lately, even with the travel. And hopefully we'll get to more videos once some of this stuff kind of frees up. But life's busy, right? All right, well, I just want to say thank you to you all. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for coming back. I appreciate all the comments. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate the views, obviously. Thank you for watching. And in the meantime, till my next video, keep modding.